she go back, there she go all the way. Oh, what fun that is to ride on one horse of a snake. There she go back, there she go back, there she go all the way. Oh, what fun that is to ride on one horse of a snake. She took this little, all of the things little. She trained up with Rio. I like that baby.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Onuk, and if this is your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So guys, apparently, so today I want to show you guys how I put on my lace cap, how I melt it and shit like that. First of all, I just want to use this medium to say that I'm still learning this frontal cap stuff. I have never ever for once denied my learning process, so I wanted to show you guys how to do the wig earlier on, but then during the wig process I was tired, so I couldn't finish filming or anything. But I'm planning to get like another wig like later this month or next month. Then I will show you guys the process, although I have a video of that already on my YouTube channel. It's up here wherever the card will be. I think it's here. No, here. Yeah, here. So I'm not sure. I promise the next wig I'm going to buy, the next hair I'm going to buy, I'm going to show you guys a wig and how to do the wig. Yeah, because yeah, because I've made some mistakes. Okay, first of all, this is the wig. Before I show you guys this hair, I just want to tell you guys the mistake I actually made when I was doing this wig. First of all, this hair is a 13x4 frontal. The front of this hair is 13x4 frontal, and that's the mistake I made. All my frontal wigs are 13x6, but my curly frontal wig now was 13x5, but this one is 13x4. So working with this one, I had it in mind it was 13x4, but I didn't have it in mind to change the dimension I was already used to. I don't know if that makes sense. So apparently I did it the normal way I do 13x4. So apparently when I did the frontal, you know, your frontal is meant to be like this, like at least cover. It's meant to have like this M shape and stuff like that. But then it covers the front. It covered the front, and then it didn't cover here. So it didn't cover like this part of my hair, like to look like an actual frontal. So what I actually did, I had to like add more. Please don't laugh at this. This wig has been through a lot, but I'm just showing you guys so that you guys will know, like, I'm not perfect. I always say I'm not perfect. So I had to like add an extra after I had cut, because I'd already cut the cap out. So I had to like add an extra cloth, whatever, so that I could take the frontal, I could lose the frontal and take it to the front. I did it for the two sides. Then yeah, it has covered, but not like directly, but at least it has tried compared to how it was before, because before it was really bad and I couldn't put it to the front. So yeah, so now let's get to the making of the melting of this hair. So this is my first time actually really melting a hair, like really legitly melting a hair, taking it upon myself to melt the hair. I've actually done it before. I won't consider that melting. I mean like melting, YouTube melting, and I hope it comes out well. So every day I use peppermint oil on my hair and tea tree oil, sorry, essential oil, although it has finished. So I'm just going to put that on my scalp because I have itchy scalp. So I put tea tree and peppermint oil, essential oil. I've been doing that for like 4 or 5 weeks now, and it has actually helped to reduce the way my hair itches, because my hair itches like a lot. Like even when I wash it, it still itches me. So I decided to like be diligent with my rosemary, sorry, my peppermint and tea tree oil. Sometimes I add rosemary oil. And you guys will even believe that I love how this peppermint oil feels on my hair. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is my Eco Styler gel. I'm just going to use that just to like prep my hair so that I won't have flyaways, especially my edges and stuff like that. So that's what I'm just going to do, just so I won't have flyaways and they won't be sticking out through the cap. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go in with this wig cap. This is not my hair color. As you can see, I'm Ebony Beauty. So I'm just going to then after that I'm just going to like use my Got To Be Free spray. I'm using this, so I'm just going to just you want to put it on cold air. There's nothing like cold heat. I heard someone say so. So I'm just going to like take my scissors and just like cut this. I'm just going to cut this like so this thing has come like all the way here, like where it's not meant to be, because it's meant to be like this. So because the whatever came all the way, I'm going to go with my rubbing alcohol. Oh God, if you want to take away your free spray, please, I beg you, use a rubbing alcohol, mentholated spirit, anything. Don't rip it off. Do not rip it off, please, because except you don't cherish your hair, you're going to be bald, like B-A-L-D, bald. So use rubbing alcohol. Use alcohol to take off your hair, because this thing right here is very strong. I'm going to take my foundation and I'm just going to like I'm going to take my Got To Be glue. It's getting dark, like it's getting dark. This is not even funny. This photo is really today. Please don't forget to make it cold, because if you're using hot air, like it's actually going to melt the glue instead of it making it stick. That's why some people air dry, because if you use hot air, it's going to melt the glue, but if you use cool air, it's just going to make it like sticky. We're going to start from the middle. I walk my way down, down by the river, by the river. Hey, hey. Oh my God. You guys should just forget about this white residue. Everything will be sold. But like, let's focus on this one that wants to open my ash. think about this hair. This hair is a very good hair, although it sheds and I don't like how much it sheds, but it doesn't shed like it sheds, but it doesn't shed that much, but it's soft. I've not had it for a long time. I've just had it for like since Thursday or whatever, so I'm just like really installing it today. So I'm just going to see if it actually like sheds much or if it tangles, because right now it doesn't tangle, and I feel it's like a natural, I feel it's real Malaysian hair, because my Malaysian friend said when she saw the hair, she was like, you have my hair, like she said it looks like a Malaysian hair. She was like, that's Malaysian hair, I can tell it's Malaysian hair. So when I bought the hair, they said it was donated by a donor, blah 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 blah. And when she saw the hair, she didn't even see me in person, she saw it in like a picture, and she was like, that's my hair, that's Malaysian hair. And I was like, okay, then like maybe they're telling the truth, because she could actually, like, I love how soft this hair is. I love how soft it is. Ooh, okay. This hair grew with it. But you guys, can you guys see? Oh, hey, now maybe this. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see, but like, yeah, I really don't have energy. Okay guys, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I'm proud of my work, but I hope to do better. Like you guys can see, I was scared of this part. I'm so proud of myself. Thank you guys so much.